everybody. It's Margot and Kelly from My Favorite Quilt Store. How you doing today, Kelly?
I'm doing amazing.
Okay, great. It looks like you're holding up the panel.
Yes, it is just glowing with beauty.
It is the Rainbow Rose, and it is beautiful from QT. I love, love, love the little butterfly in the corner, and the beautiful rose, how it is so pretty and variegated.
Now, the fabrics you are holding are also very stunning.
Exactly. So this is the quilt kit for Rainbow Rose, and this is a digital print of what the quilt will look like once it's completed. So we're showing you what the digital print would look like. So it comes with the pattern, the panel, and then two beautiful fabrics in a stripe and a swirl.
And then these are going to be the stripe and then the swirl. And the swirl also goes around as the border.
As a border and a binding.
Yes.
So that's the biggest thing you're going to use. And then there's lots of black fabric in here for the background. So we did notice that the panel was kind of cut down. So it's smaller than the original panel. You cut the panel down. And then you add these as borders. So I would say this to here is one piece. And this is one piece. It comes from here to here. And then this is one piece. So you put these two borders on first. Then these. Add a single border out here. A bigger, blacker border, and then the binding around it.
I love it.
So I do love this quilt. It would be so fun to make. It's very unique and different.
Absolutely. And I think this would even be a nice binding as well if you wanted to just kind of change it up a little bit.
I think it would too. Okay, hey guys, we hope this gives you help to figure out what this quilt kit looks like. And happy sewing.